Motorola Moto G86 Power launches with a jaw-dropping 6,720 mAh battery and a dazzling 4,500 nits pole display, alongside its sibling, the Moto G86. And for smartphone lovers, this is exciting news. The brand new Moto G86 Power doesn't just pack an enormous battery. It's also loaded with standout features like waterproof housing, vibrant color options, a textured vegan leather back, and all this at just €329, making it one of the most aggressively priced power-packed smartphones in the mid-range segment. Announced together with the Moto G86 5G, these successors to the Moto G85 5G introduce a fundamentally redesigned look. Flat-edge displays, rich textures, and elegant finishes in chrysanthemum red, cypress olive green, spellbound dark blue, and cosmic sky lavender, setting a whole new aesthetic benchmark for this price range. The Moto G86 is impressively thin at 7.87 millimeters and weighs just 185 grams, while still managing a solid 5,200 mAh battery. But the real star here is the Moto G86 Power, which is only slightly bulkier at 8.65 millimeters and 198 grams. Yet it packs a beastly 6,720 mAh battery that promises marathon screen-on times, ideal for power users, gamers, and content consumers on the go. Both smartphones support 30-watt USB-C fast charging, ensuring you won't be tethered to a wall for long. And despite their different sizes, the core features remain identical, including the ultra-bright 6.67-inch pole display with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a jaw-dropping 4,500 nits peak HDR brightness, making it one of the brightest screens ever in this category, perfect for outdoor use and media consumption. These displays are not just bright. They're protected by Gorilla Glass 7i, paired with IP-rated waterproof housing, adding much-needed durability to a stylish package. Under the hood, both phones run on a MediaTek Dimensity 7300, which features 4 powerful ARM Cortex, A78 cores clocked at up to 2.5 GHz and 4 Cortex, A55 efficiency cores, promising not only smooth multitasking, but also excellent power efficiency. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or jumping between apps, this chip can handle it all with ease. And with 8 GB of RAM on board, multitasking will be a breeze. Both models also feature a 32MP punch-hole selfie camera, perfectly centered for those clean Instagram-ready shots, while the corner-mounted rear camera module sports a 50MP f/1.88 main sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with macro mode, giving users versatile shooting capabilities, whether you're capturing landscapes or fine details. When it comes to storage, the Moto G86 Power pulls ahead again, boasting a generous 512 GB of onboard storage, leaving plenty of room for games, videos, and apps, whereas the standard Moto G86 ships with 256 GB, which is still impressive for price point. Speaking of pricing, the Moto G86 5G is launching soon for just £280 or €299, while the feature-rich G86 Power only costs £299.99 or €329, making both phones absolute steals given the hardware and features they bring to the table. Whether you're a heavy-duty user who needs the extra battery and storage, or someone who values sleek design and a high-end display in a slim package, Motorola's new lineup has something to offer. With a balanced mix of premium design, top-tier battery life, impressive camera versatility, and blisteringly bright displays, the Moto G86 series is poised to challenge every other mid-range phone out there. And once global pricing and availability roll out, these could easily become some of the most popular phones of 2025. So, if you're looking for the ultimate value smartphone that doesn't compromise on looks, performance, or battery, the Moto G86 Power might just be your next upgrade. For more epic tech breakdowns, reviews, and latest launches, make sure you subscribe to TechVerse.